Welcome to the BulkPak HD Extended Length line from ORBIS. The BulkPak HD Extended Length is a long-term reusable, collapsible bulk container offered in a 62 by 48 and 64 by 48 inch footprint. Both bins are offered in 3 heights, including the 25, 34, and 50 inches. The HD BulkPak is made of high-density polyethylene plastic using a structural foam injection molding process. They can be used for multiple applications, such as automotive components, hardware, and industrial equipment, and holds 1,500 pounds evenly distributed throughout the bin. The HD BulkPak offers design advantages that drive sustainability and supply chain efficiency. These robust containers stack when full for warehouse optimization and collapse when empty, providing freight cost savings. Because of the HD6248's unique footprint, optimal freight savings are achieved with 160 bins per truckload. Just like all of our BulkPak offerings, the HD Extended Length series has 2-piece spring-loaded latches, which maintain functionality through changing temperatures. A consistent ergonomic latch is a critical safety feature, providing a durable and secure sidewall interlock. These latches have robust engagement points and are known as a slam latch, which makes collapsing and assembling bins simple and efficient. The HD BulkPak uses a single access hinge for the drop door, allowing easy access to the contents within the bin. Drop doors are offered on both the long and short side of the container. Repair is simple and will be covered in a later part of this video. Taking a closer look at the corner of the bin, you will notice how the sidewalls interlock. This feature creates secure engagement and stability of the bin during transportation and storage. The base-to-panel connection includes strong, robust fiberglass hinge rods, as well as engineered sidewall ribbing, adding strength to the bin for heavy and extended length loads. Let's take a look at the inside of the bin. Looking inside the bin, you can see there is a ventilated base deck, allowing the bin to be cleaned easily. For quick reference, a maximum fill line is molded into the sidewalls of the container. There are banding slots located in the sidewalls which provide an opportunity to secure uneven loads. Let's look at the base of the bin. You will notice a molded-in stringer that includes a center foot and a supporting cross-strap design. ORBIS offers many ways to customize your bin for your supply chain needs. This includes card holders, label placards, placard boards, RFID, and molded-in logos, as well as various colors and door configurations. Additional protection from dust or contaminants is easy with the addition of a cover. ORBIS offers customized part protection with our ORBIS Shield product line. Efficiently fit more parts per bin with ORBIS Shield, which is custom designed to maximize any of our bulk containers. For more information, please contact an ORBIS sales representative or visit our website at orbiscorporation.com. Repair and disassembly for the HD6248 and 6448. Insert the flathead screwdriver on the back side of the hinge and move the hinge pin out of its location. Remove the hinge pin. Use pliers to push the new pin into the hinge location. Open and close the access door to ensure correct fit. Insert the flathead screwdriver in between the latch and tab that is holding the latch in place. Push the latch over so it disengages from the tab and the latch will be able to be removed. Remove latch and push a new latch in place. Take new latch and place it in the latch location. Push down on the latch and it will snap into place. Latch replacement is the same for the sidewall and the access door. Use rubber mallet to remove hinge rod from its location. Once the rod is out a few inches, the operator should be able to pull the rod out the rest of the way. Remove hinge rod and sidewall and replace with a new hinge rod and sidewall. Slide in new hinge rod and use the rubber mallet to install. Erect doors to check for proper fit. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions regarding the BulkPak HD series bin, please contact an ORBIS representative today or check out our website at orbiscorporation.com.